Lay out the slide using your cooler or fridge for a template. Make sure you give yourself enough room for the vertical slide sides that we'll add later. Give yourself some room for the hold down strap on the outside of the slide. The back of the slide will have a vertical edge that the hold down strap will attach to. Now we're going to rip the edges. These edges will hold the slides to the base as well as the back hold down strap. As always, the better you sand, the better finished result will be. Use something to round off the front edge of your slide. We don't want any sharp edges. Here I'm laying out the slot for the hold down strap on the back of the slide. Now we're going to lay out, glue, and screw our slide edges to the base. Use a wet towel to wipe up the excess glue. Here we're going to build the bottom. This will hold the other half of the slide. Rip two sides for the slides to attach to. Here I'm cutting out some 1/4 inch plywood. I'm going to use this 1/4 inch plywood to hold the sides of the bottom. In my application, the bottom will be attaching to my rear seat delete, and 1/4 inch plywood is going to be plenty strong. Once again, always glue and screw these pieces together. This is how the bottom will sit on my rear seat delete. You can attach your bottom to any flat surface in any one of your vehicles. My rear seat delete allows access to the factory storage below, so I left access to get to the attachment bolt. I use 6 T-nuts and bolts to attach the bottom to the plywood base of my rear seat delete. When drilling your attachment holes, be sure not to drill into anything below the rear seat delete. Drill out your holes big enough for your T-nut and bolt to fit and install them. Attach the slides to your base. I use glue to reinforce these screws so they would hold better. I attach the other half of the slide to the bottom with T-nuts and screws. I use red Loctite here when I attach the slide to the bottom. Install everything into your car or truck. Make sure it works correctly. Put your cooler or fridge on it, slide it in and out, shut your doors, open your doors. Just make sure it all works before you stain. Here I'm cutting in the slot for the front edge hold down strap. Choose your color of stain and add a few heavy coats. Stain is definitely more durable than paint. I made custom hold down straps with some webbing and buckles I purchased at REI. Here I attach the non-adjustable side with a screw, some washers, and a lock nut. Cinch it down tight and cut off the excess with a grinder or a hacksaw. Grind and file everything smooth. Now use your custom made straps, fish them through your hold down slots, and snug your cooler to the base. I made this little safety strap to secure the slide base to the bottom. This will lock the slide in place while traveling. Just unsnap the strap and slide your cooler or fridge out and you're ready to go. Thank you for everybody watching and subscribing. I hope this video helps you to build your own ideas. Stay safe out there. Thanks again for watching.